Welcome to our discussion, and for today's discussion we are going to tackle about the evaluation on function. But let us define first what is evaluating function. So evaluate functions is simply to plug and chug. It means inserting certain value x is plugged to get the result, the chug. So our plug is the input, which is the x variable, and the chug is our output, which is the y variable. Now let's try this example. Evaluate the function f of x is equals to 2x plus 4 for x is equals to 5. So first thing we're gonna do is plug the value of 5. Means f of 5 is equals to 2. The value of x is 5. So 2, 5, or 2 times the quantity of 5 plus 4. Now multiply the 2 and 5. So 2 times 5 is equals to 10. Then copy the plus 4. And therefore, you will get the 14. So your f of 5 is equals to 14. So let's try this example. F of x is equals to x squared plus 3x minus 2, in which your x is negative 3. So f of x is same process, no? Plug the value of x, so in which your x is equals to negative 3. Therefore, f of negative 3 is equals to negative 3 squared plus 3. Then plug the value of x, which is negative 3. So 3 times the quantity of negative 3, then copy the negative 2. Then multiply the 3 squared. So 3 times 3 is equals to 9 plus 3. So 3 times negative 3 is equals to negative 9. And copy the negative 2. So 9 minus 9 is equals to 0. And you just have copy the negative 2. Therefore, you will get the negative 2. So your f of negative 3 is equals to negative 2. For today, we are going to tackle about the operation and function on multiplication and division. But first, let us try the multiplication. So let's try this example. F of x is equals to x squared minus 3. So plug in the f of x and g of x. So f of 0 times g of 2. So 0, 2 minus 3 times 2 squared plus 3 times 2. Then you have just simplify this. So 0 times 2 is 0, in which copy the negative 3. And 2 times 2 raised to 2 is 4. So 4 times 2 is equals to 8. Then plus, copy the plus, and 3 times 2 is equals to 6. Then multiply to find the value of f of 0 and g of 2. So therefore, copy the negative 3, and 18 plus 8 plus 6 is equals to 14. Then therefore your f of 0 Therefore, your f of 0 and g of 2 is equals to negative 42.